Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is absolutism. So let's dissect this topic in complete depth. Absolutism is a political system in which a single monarch, usually a king or queen, holds complete and unrestrained power over a country. Broadly construed, absolutism is the philosophical position that there are absolute ethical, aesthetic, or epistemological values. Here phenomena are believed to have a fixed reality. Thus, what is regarded as true in one circumstance will be regarded as true in all others as well. Put differently, absolutism refers to the idea that reality, truth, or morality is absolute, that is the same for everybody, everywhere, and everywhen, regardless of individual culture or cognition or different situations or contexts. Hence, if one believes that truths are always true or that there is an objective reality, one is considered to be an absolutist. Some people think that absolutism implies a belief that all truths are absolute. However, this claim cannot hold water because, obviously, there are statements such as, "It is 10 o'clock in the morning," that are only true at certain times and places. Hence, it seems more reasonable to assume that absolutism only claims that absolute truths exist and not all truths are absolute in political parlance. Absolutism refers to a political theory and form of government in which unlimited complete power is held by a centralized sovereign individual with no checks or balances from any other part of the nation or government in effect. The ruling individual has absolute power with no legal, electoral, or other challenges to that power. Key takeaways. The power of an absolutist government may not be challenged or limited. Absolutist monarchs inherit their positions as an undeniable benefit of their birth into a long family line of monarchs. Absolutist monarchs claim their power is bestowed on them by God, according to the theory of the divine right of kings. Enlightened absolutism describes absolute monarchies that were influenced by the social and political reforms of the Age of Enlightenment. Enlightened absolutism often led to the creation of constitutional monarchies. While examples of absolutism can be found throughout history, from Julius Caesar to Adolf Hitler, the form that developed in 16th to 18th century Europe is typically considered to be the prototype. King Louis XIV, who ruled over France from 1643 to 1715, is credited with expressing the essence of absolutism when he reportedly declared, "L'État, c'est moi, I am the state." Absolute monarchy as a form of government prevailed in Europe from the end of the medieval period through the 18th century. In his classic 1651 book Leviathan, English philosopher Thomas Hobbes unequivocally defended absolutism. Due to his pessimistic view of human nature and behavior, Hobbes contended that the only form of government strong enough to hold humanity's cruel impulses in check was an absolute monarchy, where kings or queens wielded supreme and unchecked power over their subjects. Hobbes believed that all constitutions, laws, and similar covenants were worthless without absolute monarchical power to force the people to adhere to them. And covenants, without the sword, are but words and have no strength to secure a man at all, he wrote. The popularity of absolute monarchy declined sharply after the French Revolution of 1789 promoted theories of government based on the sovereignty of the people rather than of the monarch. As a result, many former absolute monarchies, such as England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland, have become constitutional monarchies or parliamentary republics.